Hi guys, so I was looking for something nutrient dense, simple and delicious to prepare and now remembered fatty beef sauce. Yeah, fatty beef sauce. This fat here is what I'm going to use as the oil for this sauce. So first of all, go ahead and wash the beef and the fat. Wash everything very well, season it, marinate it, then boil it until the beef is very soft. Okay, and now the boiling will also make the fat to melt. As you can see here, it's completely melted, and so as it has melted now, I'll just drain it. I'll use it to prepare my sauce. And now at the vegetables I'm going to be using the carrot, the yellow bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the red bell pepper, some onions, and some garlic paste, and some sliced tomatoes, green no spring onions rather, and I also have some normal red onions. Okay, let's start the cooking process proper. So here I'll have to strain the fat from the beef. Yeah, it's very delicious, trust me. This adds wonderful taste to your food and it is very healthy. It is a very healthy fast you can use to prepare your meal. So I'll heat it up and now start adding my ingredients: the onions, the garlic, the fresh pepper. Give it a stir, allow it to heat up for a while. I will now go ahead and add the fresh sliced tomatoes. Yes, so after I added the sliced tomatoes, I just cover it and allow it to boil for about 5 minutes on a medium heat. And I'll go ahead and add the vegetables, add the carrots, the yellow bell pepper, the green bell pepper, the red bell pepper, the spring onions. Okay, as you can see, my food is already becoming very colorful. Yes, that is just what you need. Colorful food. Color your food with vegetables and your body will thank you. So after adding my vegetables, I go ahead and add the beef. I've already cooked it very soft and with a little water that came out of it. And here we are. I'll just it properly, add salt to taste. If you have some dusting, if you have curry, you can add curry powder at this point to give it another unique taste. Okay, so I'll stir it properly. Actually, I didn't use lots of seasonings. No, I don't mean seasonings. Yes, actually I don't use seasonings to cook. If you've been watching all my videos, you know I use all natural spices to prepare my meal. So I didn't use much spicy to cook this because I just wanted it to have a very simple taste. I want to have the taste of that vegetable and the fatty beef. Okay, so here our sauce is ready. After I allow it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes on the medium to low heat, and I fry some potatoes, and that's what I'll use to eat it. And this was the only meal I had for the day because you know nutrient dense food like this actually doesn't digest so fast. It has lots of protein. Yeah, it's very filling and increases satiety. Alright guys, for watching. Thank you for the 500 plus subscribers on YouTube. Please keep subscribing, stay tuned, like this video, share, comment. Follow me too on Facebook at Precious Cook.